How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our GranDirect Control Box. So our GranDirect Control Box is a combination of our Grand Control and our Direct Control in one. So you'll see here that you have your Grand side with your buttons with your Grand Control, and then you have your Direct side here with your Direct Control functionality. And then you'll see that you have your Direct side will plug in here, and your Grand side will plug in here. Now let's go over a couple of our products using our GranDirect Control. So for example here, I brought our Raptor TIR plugged into the Grand side of my GranDirect, where I have my power button, and then I have my Mode 1 and Mode 2 buttons here, and then I have my pattern changer, and then I'll have my TD button, and then moving over here, I brought a Virtue 6 on the Direct side of my GranDirect, where I'll have my Mode 1 and Mode 2 buttons, and then I'll also have my traffic advising functionality. And then moving down here, I have my slow to fast switch, which works while I'm in my traffic advisor or in my warning mode. And then here you have your pattern changer, which you can use to cycle through your pre-programmed flash patterns. And then with our GranDirect, you'll also have two aux switches, one coming off the Direct side and one coming off of the Grand side. Now with our GranDirect, you can also plug in a K-Force Micro 21 or a K-Force 27 into the Grand side of your GranDirect. So let's go over that. So for example here, I plugged in my K-Force Micro 21 to the Grand side of my GranDirect, where I'll have my power button, my Mode 1 and Mode 2 buttons here, and then I still have my Virtue 6 plugged into the Direct side of my GranDirect as well. And then here you'll have your night mode button. Now let's go over night mode. Now when it comes to our night mode, you'll see that you have your night mode button here on your control box, or you can use the white cable coming from your cable harness to hardwire. So I'll go ahead and turn off my night mode button here. Now when power is applied to the white cable, you'll see that will activate your red backlight LEDs and your night mode button will become inactive. So I'll go ahead and unplug my white cable here, and then I'll activate my night mode via button. And then you'll see when you activate the features on your control box that those buttons will light up blue. So you'll see you have the perfect option whether you would like to use your night mode button or if you would like to hardwire. So that covers our GranDirect Control Box. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.